Nestled at the end of a peaceful street is our newest listing, 3405 Pretty Branch Drive. Perched high on a hill in the heart of Smyrna. I've never seen a floor plan like this in this neighborhood. You're going to want to check it out. It's safe to say this home is nothing short of extraordinary. But is it the one you've been waiting for? Only one way to find out. Give us a call. We'd love to show you around.